Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use concatenate in Microsoft Excel. So, for example, you have a first name and last name and you want to generate full names for these people. So just use the Microsoft Excel function known as concatenate. And now you select your first text, which is the first name, separate with comma. If you want space between names, you separate them, you put a space in a quote, in double quotes. And then now you select your last name and now you close your function and you hit enter, so you can see that you have now full name. So you can drag this down to apply to the rest of the cells, and there you go. Another application for concatenate, you can do it, you customize it depending on the problem you have. So another scenario is where you have email addresses. You want to create email addresses with a particular domain name. Let's say the domain name for our case is at example.com. So how do you go about that? So just click equal to, then provide your concatenate function in Microsoft Excel, and let's say this is your first name. So comma, put into double quotes. Maybe you are separating these emails with adding a dot, a period in between the first name and the last name, and then you select your last name as that, comma, then now you provide your domain name in double quotes, so at example.com. There you go. So you close everything with parentheses, then you hit enter, so you'll have the email address for this, and you can create thousands of emails at the same time by just dragging down as shown. Thank you.